Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CBSE class 10th Maths, chapter 6 Triangle. Let's see theorem 6.1, Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem or BPT. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here given, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point. Now let us consider triangle ABC. Given triangle ABC where DE parallel to BC. Now we need to prove the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Other two sides here AB and AC. Now we need to prove AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. So we can write the same here to prove AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. Construction. Now join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. We can join here. Now we can join BE. Then now draw EN perpendicular AD and DM perpendicular to AE. Draw a perpendicular line here. Here named N and another perpendicular line we can draw here. Here named M. So here EN perpendicular to AD and DM perpendicular to AE. Proof. We know that area of a triangle equal to half into base into height. First we can take triangle ADE and triangle BDE. Base we can take this side first. So in triangle ADE, perpendicular height EN, here perpendicular height DM. So area of triangle ADE equal to here base AD and perpendicular height EN. So half into base AD into height EN. This is considered equation 1. Now let us consider triangle BDE. In triangle BDE, area of triangle BDE equal to, here also same formula, half into base into height. This triangle BDE and CDE are this type of triangle. Here we can draw perpendicular height outer of the triangle. So this is the perpendicular height. In triangle BDE, perpendicular height EN. So base BD and height EN. So half into BD into EN. This is considered equation number 2. Now let us consider triangle ADE and CDE. Here we can take base this side. In triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE equal to, here base AE and perpendicular height DM. So half into base AE into height DM. This is considered equation number 3. And next, in triangle CDE, in triangle CDE, here base CE and perpendicular height DM. So area of triangle CDE equal to half into here base CE and perpendicular height DM. This is considered equation number 4. Divide 1 and 2. Area of triangle ADE divide area of triangle BDE. Here RHS 1 by 2 into AD into EN divide 1 by 2 into BD into EN. Here this EN cancelled, half also cancelled, remaining we will get area of triangle ADE divide area of triangle BDE equal to AD divide BD. This is considered equation number 5. Now divide 3 and 4. Here area of ADE divide area of CDE equal to, here RHS half into AE into DM divide half into CE into DM. Here half and DM cancel, remaining we will get AE by CE. So area of ADE divide area of CDE equal to, we will get AE divide CE. This is considered equation number 6. Now let us consider triangle BDE and CED. Now this two triangle have same base DE and between the same parallel DE and BC. So we can write, therefore triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base. Between the same parallel lines DE and BC. So area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. This is considered equation number 7. Now let us consider equation 5, 6 and 7. Here area of triangle ADE divide area of triangle BDE. Here area of triangle ADE divide area of CDE. Now we proved area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. So come to the conclusion from equation 5, 6 and 7. So AD divide BD equal to AE divide CE. Therefore AD divide BD equal to AE divide CE. Hence proved. That's all for the Thales theorem. If you have any doubt, comment below. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.